Actually, it's not too bad. I couldn't even see the logs last time. Start down here and work our way there. I'm gonna sink it in the other. See what happens. Get a feel for them. Ooh, I have black and blue. That'll work good. I'll give you that. And then if it works, I'll get a copy. Yeah. Can't win them all. Look how big that is. Oh, look at the baby ducklings.
Oh.
A bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to reel it in and like twitch it up and then let it fall again. Got one.
Nice. That was quick.
That's not a bad one for here. First cast. Yeah, so you know how you can kind of see your line falling? So when you cast it, you want it to go and let it fall, and when you see it stop, you can let it sit there for a little bit longer and then reel in and kind of jig it up, let it fall down again, and just keep on doing that. Like that was my probably 4th time letting it drop after I casted. I caught one fish, so now I know what I'm doing.
Now your ego's high.
It is. What? Broke off? Do you remember how to tie it? Huh? You do or don't?
So I'll look
I can show you how. Yeah, it happens a lot. Here we can do it at the same time. So I'll show you, it's called the Palmer knot. Oh! It's like the easiest knot to tie and one of the strongest, even though we both break off, so obviously it's not that strong. It's also, we have lighter line. There's your hook. Put this in the rest of the garbage. Alright, ready?
What, through the hole?
Yep. You did it. And that's all you need to do. And then you bring it back through.
How?
So you stick it through.
Oh wait, like that. Put it back like that?
Yep. And you have a little loop at the end.
Okay, I have a loop.
So you want to grab the end with the loop, and then the end with your line and the little piece with nothing.
Both?
Yep, you want to have them like this.
Okay.
Bring the loop in and make a knot with it. So make a loop and then bring the smaller loop through there. And then once you have it like that,
Wait, I missed.
lick the line.
Do that again? Do I what? I put
Make
this.
a normal loop. Make that smaller so you can fit it through. As in, like, yeah, bring your fingers to the top of it.
Okay. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, it's caught to my finger. Okay, then what?
Did you make a knot? No.
Not yet.
Make a knot.
Okay, so I make it
Yep,
like
you go like that, and then bring that loop through that hole.
So like this.
Yep. And you can pull it so you have a little bit more line. If it's easier. Give yourself some more line to work with if you have to. Did you get it through? Yes, and then lick it. Like where it's gonna knot up. And then pull. Yep. So now you're there. Now we're at the same spot.
Yeah.
So you have the loop and then the end with that. So you take the loop part and bring it through the hook from the back.
Okay.
And then you have all of them there.
Actually, what up?
Yep, get around it. Okay. And then have all of them out here like this. And you grab these two.
Okay.
Lick it again. And pull. And it'll cinch up.
Yeah, I did it.
There you go. You almost hooked me.
You almost what?
Said you almost hooked me there.
You did it yourself.
Take yours. And then just go in the middle.
I think it gets caught easier that way.
Alright, now I never need to help you again, right?
Yeah, sure.
You're a pro. Let's try not to get stuck right away again. Thought you were going to help out a little bit. Making me do all the work. Huh?
Like it won't let me reel it.
Flip that thing down. Oh, it's not. Here, hold mine. I don't know if this thing is the best color for this, but we're gonna try it. Oh, they're largy. Got a rock bass. Oh, lost my shoe. Athlete right here.
One misstep and my life is. Okay.